feel stuck? Do you feel that you are playing very small? You deserve to be a star, but you don't feel the one. You are not reaching to your maximum potential. Not only this, you feel sense of emptiness. All these things could be the reason because you miss some of the star element. So today we are going to learn about what is the star element and how you can cultivate in your own personality. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to deal with an exciting topic that's all about personal development and building stardom. Yes, it is about how to build your star element so that you can craft the path to your success. So let's get ready to learn more about star element. What is this star element? As you can see that star, this holds a tremendous power. If you look at each term, each letter of the star word, it holds tremendous power. S stands for sincere, T stands for talented, A stands for ambitious, and R stands for resilient. Yes, a person who has sincerity, who is ambitious, who is talented, and who is resilient is a true star. There is no doubt about it. So what are the ways how to cultivate these elements in you? There are steps. Are you ready to learn those steps? Very easy and workable steps. You have to take only few actions on day-to-day basis. So let's learn 7 simple steps to become a star. Step 1. Have a clear ambition that is driven by strong purpose. Yes, your strong purpose and your personal values, that is the foundation of star element. And if you have your goals that is driven by strong purpose, that is something that will inspire you. What is the step 2? Step 2. Whatever happens, you take your action on daily basis. Take initiatives without fail. Yes, this is something that separates people who exist and people who thrive in their life. The people who thrive in their life, they keep taking action on daily basis. So whatever happens, take action, take initiatives without fail. Step 3. Develop your talent and sharpen your skill with regular practice. Yes, regular practice, continuous growth, that is something that will give you success. That is something will cultivate star element in. Step 4. Never think of giving up. Whatever it happens, be resilient and have that endurance in you. Be a strong-headed person. Whatever happens, never stop. Be so strong that whatever challenges come, you overcome that and you keep moving without stopping. That is the superpower. So keep your resilience intact. That's the most important thing. Step 5. Live your life at higher self. Elevate your mindset. Take care of your thoughts. They take care of your personal growth, spiritual growth, and I would say that overall take care of your soul. Align yourself with the society's growth. Step 6. Make creativity, positivity, honesty, authenticity and empathy your trademark. This is something will set you apart from others. The most important ingredient. And the step 7, take care of your hard work and passion. Whatever you do with hard work and passion. It means involve yourself fully. If you involve yourself, your mind as well as your heart and as well as your soul set work in alignment and you don't tend to get demotivated on the way to your journey. That's the most important thing. So develop your hard work and passion and align it with whatever you do from your bottom of your heart. So when we conclude, what is the star element? Star element is about sincerity, talented, ambitious, and resilient. So develop all these elements for yourself. That's the most important thing. Hone your skills. That is also one of the most important thing. And take care of your never give up attitude. Whatever happens, never ever give up in your life. And believe in yourself, because you are a star. And remember, stars are not only meant to show, they are meant to shine, add spark, and conquer. Thank you for watching this whole video. Keep shining bright and keep sharing my content with your loved ones. And if you found this video inspiring, please hit that like button, subscribe this channel, and stay tuned for more videos